So this is number 6, and on number 6 what I'm looking for is the cross section. Here I say I have 2 points, which is going to kind of look like this, and then it extends farther out on the base, which means we're going to be looking here actually at a trapezoid when we cut this. And so I'm being told that this base at the top is 14, that this right here is going to be 18, and then if I'm looking for the height here, basically what I'm looking for is that they tell me the height of the cross section is actually going to be 3, so they were kind enough to give that to me. So what I'm going to do now to find the area of this cross section, which is a trapezoid, is use the 1/2 times the height of 3 times the sum of the bases, so 14 plus 18, because that is the area formula for a trapezoid. So here I've got 0.5 times 3 times the sum of 14 plus 18, and what I get is that this has an area of 48 units squared. So when we look at the cross section here, I can tell that this shape inside is actually going to be a rectangle. So that's going to be the cross section of this shape. What it tells me is that the base of this prism is a square. So if this is 3, so is this edge length. So I've definitely got 3 inches right there. I also know that this height here is 5, which means this is 5, and this would be a right angle right here. So to find out the edge length here, I need to use Pythagorean theorem. 5 squared plus 3 squared is equal to the hypotenuse squared. So 5 squared plus 3 squared is going to give me 34. So C, when I take the square root of both sides, is going to be the square root of 34. And that is going to represent this length here. So to find the area of this shape, I'm going to be doing the width, which is 3, times the length, which is the square root of 34. And this is actually going to then be inches squared as my unit, and that will be my final answer.